We will be hunting for the letter O, and the O sound is ah. I'm going to be looking for my capital and lowercase o's, and right away we start off with a lowercase o. I'm using the color that starts with O, orange. So you can use any color you'd like though. Next to my O I see B. We don't want the B. Here we see O. We want that capital O. We will color that capital O's space. Next to the O we see letter U. We don't want U. Then we have lowercase o. Good job. And next to my lowercase o we see capital O. We want capital O. Next to the capital O we see capital O again. And our very last letter, P. We don't want the P. Our top line has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. 2 of the O's are lowercase. 3 of the O's are capital. 2 and 3 go together to make 5. Let's see how many O's are on our middle line. Ooh, we start off with 2 lowercase O's right next to each other. Almost looks like eyeballs, the way that those O's are written in the circles. Next to the O, what do we see? B. We don't want B. Then we have C. We don't want C. Next to C is K. We don't want K. There's a capital O. We want that. Next to the capital O, what do we see? L. It could be a number 1, but we're looking at letters, so this is the letter L. We don't want L. And lastly, we have T. So on our middle line, we have 1, 2, 3 O's. 2 are lowercase, 1 is capital. 2 and 1 go together to make 3. 3, if I match them up, 3 is 2 less than 5. And 5 is 2 more than 3. On our bottom row, we start with letter B. We don't want a B. Next to B we have O. So we're going to color that capital O. Next to the capital O we see H. We don't want H. Do we want A? We don't. This kind of looks like an O, but it has this tail part. This is a Q. We don't want Q. This is a lowercase q, and we don't want that either. Here we have lowercase o. The lowercase are smaller. And last we have capital O. So just like the middle row, our bottom row has 1, 2, 3 O's. But this time we have 2 capital and 1 lowercase. 2 and 1 go together to make 3. The same amount that we had on our middle line. 3 and 3 are equal, but 3 is less than 5. Now down at the bottom, all of these pictures start with the ah sound for the letter O. Ah, octopus. Ah, ostrich. Ah, orange. Ah, octopus. Ah, ostrich. Ah, orange. Ah, octopus. Ah, ostrich. Ah, orange. Let's say the O pattern a little quicker. Octopus, ostrich, orange. Octopus, ostrich, orange. Octopus, ostrich, orange. All those start with the letter O. They start with the ah sound. Be sure to take a picture of your letter O hunt so that we can see it on Seesaw.